Hi guys, I've got a BURG WÄCHTER, however you pronounce it, which is 770 60 millimeter padlock. It's very similar to the Abus titanium, the metal that is. Very lightweight and very similar. I'll show you that it's a 5-pinner. That's fine. Looks like it's had lots of picking, attempting on this padlock. I'll show you the fitting for it. There you go. Interestingly about this particular padlock though is that all we need seem to pick is pin 5, and as we knock that up, touch pin 1, it should open. So let's give it a go. Peterson gem. So put it to the back of the lock, put tension on, just picking as I normally pick, dragging the pick out till it comes to a stop. It's pin 5, set that, and push on 1, and there we go. Cheers Rick, thanks guys.